Hello. In this video, we want to prove that the following is an identity. We have cosine alpha over 1 minus sine alpha equals 1 plus sine alpha over cosine alpha. Now, to do this, we need to start out with one side, and these two honestly look pretty much similar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with the left-hand side for no reason whatsoever. So start out with cosine alpha over 1 minus sine alpha. Now, here's the thing. I'm just going to rewrite this because if we look at this, notice that we want to get sine alpha in the denominator here, and we want a 1 plus sine alpha in the numerator. Now, notice that if we want a 1 plus sine alpha in the numerator, we're probably going to have to just multiply by 1 plus sine alpha. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 1 plus sine alpha. Now, there's a good indicator that this is what I want to do, because in the denominator, we already have a 1 minus sine alpha, and 1 plus sine alpha is the conjugate. So a product of conjugates gives you a difference of 2 squares. And this is going to give me in the numerator just cosine alpha times 1 plus sine alpha. And then all over in the denominator, we have 1 minus sine alpha times 1 plus sine alpha. Square both of those. 1 squared is 1. Sine alpha squared is sine squared alpha, with the minus between the two. So we get 1 minus sine squared alpha. But remember the fundamental identity of trigonometry. Notice that I can get 1 minus sine squared alpha by subtracting the sine squared alpha. And that's going to give me cosine squared alpha equals 1 minus sine squared alpha. But notice that that 1 minus sine squared alpha is cosine squared alpha. So this is going to give me cosine alpha times 1 plus sine alpha, and then all over cosine squared alpha. Now notice that cosine alpha, cosine squared alpha, one of those cosine alphas cancel each other, so this entire thing goes away, and one of those goes away. And this is going to give me, excuse me, cosine goes away, we're just left with the parentheses of 1 plus sine alpha. Then all over in the denominator, we just have a single cosine alpha. And if we go up here, we started out with the left-hand side, manipulated it, and we got the right-hand side. And there you go. So, QED, we're done. By the way, I'm not circling anything, I'm not boxing anything, because this entire thing is the proof that we're trying to show here. Alright, well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.